Unless you've been living under a rock, you would know that we are now living in the AI age. And if you want to keep up, you need to know exactly what AI is, how it functions, how it has been evolving, and how it is enhancing human life as we know it. In today's video, we're going to explore the 7 stages of AI, from its humble beginnings to its mind-bending future. AI is a relatively young discipline. It is only 60 years old and is a set of sciences, theories, and techniques based on mathematical logic, statistics, probabilities, computational neurobiology, and computer science, aimed at imitating the cognitive abilities of a human being. Its roots lie at the very beginning of the Second World War, and its developments are intimately linked to complex computing that could previously only be done by a human. John von Neumann and Alan Turing were the founding fathers of the technology behind AI at the beginning of 1950. They made the transition from computers to 19th century decimal logic and machines to binary logic. The conference at Dartmouth College in the summer of 1956 is considered to have set the ground for the discipline, and John McCarthy of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology is said to have come up with the actual term AI, which Marvin Minsky of Carnegie Mellon University defined it as the construction of computer programs that engage in tasks that are currently more satisfactorily performed by human beings because they require high-level mental processes such as perceptual learning, memory organization, and critical reasoning. Since then, AI has undergone significant advancement and breakthroughs. Number 1. Infancy. Rule-based systems. Imagine playing chess against a computer. Each of its moves and strategies is determined by a predefined set of rules. Its algorithm, also known as one-task systems, which is the earliest stage of AI that is operated based on predefined rules or algorithms given by programmers. They lacked the ability to learn or adapt, but were reliable for tasks with clear-cut rules like diagnosing mechanical issues or processing text forms. Number 2. Adolescence. Context awareness and retention systems. This sort of algorithm is developed by feeding the systems advice about a domain in which they'll be implemented. These calculations are trained on the expertise of specialists and are upgraded to deal with new emerging scenarios. Like intelligent chatbots and your smartphone assistant Siri or Google Assistant, these AI systems remember previous experiences. They're like teenagers who are beginning to understand context but are still far from independent thinking. Number 3. AI as a specialist. Domain-specific expertise. In this stage, the advanced systems can develop mastery in particular domains. Their capability to store and process a wide volume of information to make decisions can exceed humans. This can be seen in the field of cancer diagnosis. Another example is Google DeepMind system AlphaGo, which defeated 18-time world champion Lee Sedol, proving its domain-specific expertise. AI as a thinker. Thinking and reasoning systems. Imagine an AI system reading a book, understanding the plot, and inferring characters' motives based on their actions. Or consider it analyzing economic data, anticipating market trends, and suggesting investment strategies. Wild, right? Well, at this stage, AI systems beginning to mimic human capacity for thinking and reasoning. They don't just follow rules or retain context, they simulate human thought processes with their own logic. Number 5. The birth of a new mind. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. This is the new frontier of AI research. Just like a human, an AGI system would possess self-awareness, consciousness, and the ability to understand and navigate the world. It would also be able to understand, learn, adapt, and implement knowledge across a broad range of tasks. Number 6. AI outshines humanity. Artificial Superintelligence, or ASI. This futuristic stage is where man-made machines will outsmart humans. It is one of the rungs of the AGI ladder, and with it, algorithms will defeat the smartest of human minds in all domains. This AI could solve problems that humans can't and be innovative in unprecedented ways, like providing insights into unsolved mysteries of the universe. Number 7. Singularity and Transcendence. The Navi in Avatar connected the ends of their neural cues to other living beings to have mental communication and share information and sensory input. Well, hypothetically, AI will enable humans to connect their brains in the future. Not only will this pave the way for the future of the internet, but it will facilitate the sharing of ideas and even provide the ability to observe dreams. It could even enable humans to communicate with other living beings such as plants and animals. Maybe even aliens too, who knows? But one thing's for sure, AI has continually pushed the boundaries of what is possible, and it will continue to shape our lives in creative and unpredictable ways. Are you ready to witness AI's far-reaching impact on our world? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, stay tuned to this channel to explore the mind-blowing possibilities of AI technology. Thanks for watching.